Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. So in today's class we're going to test our app. So in order to test our app, there are two ways we can do it. The first thing we need to do is click on this run app button. Alright, now when you click the button, you will see a couple of options. If you have any device connected, you will see it here. For example, I have a Huawei device, a Huawei Y7 device connected. So if I want to run it on my Huawei device, all I have to do is select this and click OK, and the app is running on my phone. Okay. Alternatively, we can run it on an emulator. So you can see on my own Android Studio version, I've installed a couple of emulators. So if I say OK, it will run on the emulator and it will display on my screen. Now, if you don't have any emulators on your screen, all you have to do is click on this Create New Virtual Device button. An emulator is also called an Android Virtual Device, an AVD. So you will be prompted through on the creation of an emulator. For example, let's say I want to create a Nexus 5X device or a Nexus 6 device. I just click the device and I go next. Then I select the Android version and my OS version and I click next, and there we go. We are prompted with the emulator. So it's as simple as that. So in our next clip, you will see this device running on my Huawei device. Alright, see you soon. Bye.